The human body is more than muscles and bones. It's a mystery factory full of weird science. From feeling someone's gaze without seeing them to glowing biochemically in the dark, the things we can do, often without realizing, are almost supernatural. Ever felt eyes on you from across the room, even before you turned around? That gut feeling isn't paranoia. It's a real biological response. The brain has a highly tuned threat detection system that activates when it senses subtle shifts in your environment. Micro-expressions, body heat, and even minor auditory cues can trigger your subconscious alert system. Studies suggest that the brain's peripheral vision can detect gaze direction without you being aware of it. This sixth sense is part survival, part intuition. We're wired to detect attention, even from the shadows. When the heart stops, you're not instantly gone. Your brain may keep going. Researchers have found that brain waves can remain active for minutes after clinical death. Some people who've experienced near-death states recall vivid lights, voices, or even full thoughts. These aren't hallucinations. They may be actual brain responses during the last moments of consciousness. Some scientists believe the brain goes through a final surge before complete shutdown. It's a haunting and fascinating reminder that death isn't a switch. It's a process. You can literally smell fear, and others can smell yours. When people are scared, their bodies release specific chemical signals through sweat called chemosignals. These subtle compounds are detected subconsciously by those around us, especially in stressful or dangerous environments. Studies have shown that people exposed to fear sweat display higher alertness and even mimic the emotion. It's an ancient survival mechanism meant to help groups respond quickly to danger. Fear travels faster than words, through the air we breathe. Certain frequencies are linked with feelings of dread and even ghost sightings. Infrasound, or extremely low sound frequencies below the threshold of human hearing, can still affect our bodies. It causes anxiety, chills, nausea, and even visual hallucinations like shadowy figures. These frequencies can come from machines, fans, or natural phenomena, but we often attribute the feelings to the supernatural. Ghost hunters report cold spots that are often just infrasound zones. Sometimes it's not a spirit whispering, it's the low hum of fear. In moments of panic, the world seems to move in slow motion. And it's not just your imagination. When under extreme stress, the brain switches into a hyper-attentive state. It takes in more details per second, making events feel stretched out. This is part of our fight-or-flight response, giving us time to react quickly in life-threatening moments. The sensation of slow time has been reported during accidents, sports injuries, and even combat. Your brain compresses milliseconds into memory, like bullet time in real life. Many people wake up unable to move with a crushing weight on their chest, often paired with terrifying visions. This is sleep paralysis, a condition that occurs when the brain wakes up before the body. People often report seeing dark figures, feeling pressure, or hearing strange sounds. Throughout history, this experience was blamed on demons or evil spirits. Science now explains it as a disconnect between REM sleep and physical mobility. But when you're frozen in bed, terrified and breathless, logic isn't much comfort. Hot water and cold water don't just feel different, they actually sound different. The viscosity of water changes with temperature, affecting how it splashes and flows. Hot water produces higher-pitched sounds due to faster-moving molecules. Studies show people can distinguish temperature based on pore sound alone. Baristas, tea experts, and even blind individuals sometimes use this skill. It's a hidden sensory talent that connects hearing to thermal energy. Yes, your body emits light. You just can't see it. Humans naturally glow due to bioluminescence, caused by chemical reactions inside cells. This ultra-weak light, called biophotons, is 1,000 times dimmer than what the human eye can detect. Using special cameras, scientists have recorded this glow peaking in the late afternoon. The brightness is linked to metabolic activity and oxidative stress. We are, in a literal sense, walking light bulbs, just dimmed by nature. That fresh, earthy smell after rain has a strange origin. It's bacterial. The scent, known as petrichor, is released when rain hits dry soil and releases oils and compounds created by soil-dwelling bacteria. One of those compounds, geosmin, is produced by actinomycetes and detected by the human nose in incredibly small amounts. We've evolved to find it pleasant, possibly because it meant life-giving. Water was near. The smell of rain is actually the perfume of microscopic organisms waking up. Yawning isn't just boredom or tiredness. It's a biological air conditioner. Studies show that yawning increases blood flow and draws cool air into the sinuses, helping to regulate brain temperature. It's more common in warm environments or during stress, when the brain needs to maintain optimal performance. That big yawn you do before a presentation, it's your brain trying to stay sharp, not tuning out. This makes yawning one of the most misunderstood bodily tools in your arsenal. Your fingers don't wrinkle in water by accident. It's evolution in action. When submerged, nerves trigger blood vessel constriction in the skin, causing it to wrinkle. This isn't just random. It creates grooves that improve grip on wet surfaces. Much like treads on tires, studies even found that people with wrinkled fingers could pick up wet objects faster than those with smooth skin. It's believed to be an evolutionary advantage from our early ancestors. Wet hands don't slip, they adapt. Left-handed, people don't just write differently. They may even process sound in unique ways. Studies using brain scans found that left-handers often use both hemispheres when interpreting spoken language, unlike right-handed people who rely mostly on the left hemisphere. This can result in slightly faster reaction times or more complex processing of tone and nuance. It's part of the broader brain symmetry found in many lefties. Being left-handed isn't just about preference, it's about neurodiversity. That smile on your face isn't just contagious, it's medicinal. Smiling, even when forced, triggers the release of mood-boosting chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals reduce stress, which in turn strengthens your immune system. People who smile regularly have been shown to recover faster from illness and report better overall health. So yes, happiness actually helps fight infection. Your body likes it when you're happy and shows it at the cellular level. All tears may look the same to the eye, but under a microscope, they're worlds apart. Scientists have discovered that tears triggered by different emotions form different crystalline patterns when dried. Tears of joy, sorrow, and even irritation contain unique biochemical compositions. This means your emotions are literally encoded in your tears. Every drop from your eye tells a deeper story, a liquid fingerprint of feeling. Sleep isn't a break for your brain, it's a storage session. During REM sleep, the brain processes and files away memories, connecting them to old information and creating new patterns. This is why dreams often feel random. They're your mind experimenting with memory and imagination. People who sleep better tend to perform better on memory tests. Without dreaming, we'd lose the glue that holds learning together. Sleep is not idle time. It's brain training behind closed eyes.